Mm. Hello all. Here we be come back to our CSCI 352, our digital forensics lab. Okay, so today we move on more on doing the analysis and checking. So here's we more advanced on searching. So in our previous lab we try to look at the USB and then try to checking the like using strings like the checking the encryption. And for the advanced search, we include like how can we search inside the folder and then also a DD image. So if you have no idea what's the DD, then we will like tell you how can we check. So sometimes DD is one of the method we can copy the image. Okay, and when we're looking, so you need to like for the steps you need to follow, you need to download the file. So I already upload the files to the GitHub, so you can download from the Git. So also I upload the file of the folder, so you can because I already upload the assignment to assignment 2, and assignment 2 I already upload the PDF file, so includes the GitHub link, so you can download the GitHub link. And I also right here you see the GitHub, so I already upload, so it's a regression zip file. So you have so many steps you need to follow. Nothing complicated, straightforward, but you need to install everything needed, and then maybe when you set up the environment, something will be missed or like for some steps. So I'm keep checking because right now I'm looking how will you work on your lab. So if you're thinking the progress is okay, then I will stay like every week getting you something new. And but for this one, I will slightly slow down because like every time you have a new system, need to install some new tools and then to investigate lots of things to try. Okay. Um, After you watch this video and let me know if you're feeling okay, the progress right now is so far okay, you can follow, and I just give you slightly extra more time, then I will just like give it as like 2 weeks so you can work on it. So every week I will still give you some lab. Or if you say okay, you still need some extra time, then I will slow down a little bit, okay, and maybe use a lecture part, and then like because the lecture I can be pretty fast, and then I can cover a little bit like or go through one more time about the assignment. So feel free to let me know how can I help you better on your assignment or any work. Okay, so right here, although I already download the file, I have regression zip file, and I of course like we always start with our steps like checking the files using the ls, then check the regression zip files, just checking, okay, what's the permission of this file? Okay, when did I create it? And then what's the file permission? So like kind of pretty straightforward, and then unzip it. You can install the unzip. So I already giving you unzip using the apd install unzip. Or if you remember last time you're using 7-zip, so you can still using 7-zip to unzip file, because 7-zip can also support the zip file format. Okay, so you can do the same. Okay, I will test. So either way is okay. So you can unzip the file because I already unzipped it, so I'm not doing anymore. And pretty straightforward. And right here we're just like checking some verify if there's some files there. See if then let's see. So we are checking from here from the example doc, and then we just like here it will be any format. So right here, and we'll try to list it. Okay, you'll see some files right here. Okay, or verify. So some of them, and all these like all the steps, and just I need to follow the instruction. You can passing one thing is like called a record expression. So you need to learn something about what's that record expression. So right here, there's one I'm using, like I do testing online, so I'm using online the record expression. So always the record expression 101. So you can test if we have certain content, maybe some files. If you want to test your documents, then you may be okay to use the format. And because I didn't spend too much time to like teach you what's that regular expression or the format. So should I quickly go through and let you have some idea. So right here we have some command like for the character. If you see, we can declare like some ABC. If within a range will be A to Z and uppercase. So within the range, so it will be like all the A to Z and the A to Z like this. Okay, so here will be the regular expression with all the letter, and then we can pass like the length, okay, the range, and we have broken line, and then it's okay, and then we give a sorting, and then give them as a winning files, and then just like sorting. So this how can we grab all those like files using regular expression to list all the files recursively, like to get all these files, and then in the numbers like this, and with any format, okay, dot slash, okay, come with the dot, and then any file types, okay. So it's possible like from 3 to 4. So it's range. So you see like the dot. So you will see all the files. So they're possible like PDF, JPG. So the length is 3, and then Java, HTML would be 4, like Excel, XML format. So it would be like this. We are listing. So right here it just telling you all the file types included right here. And for different file type, we will need to use different tools to like to do the investigation. We can't like cover everything, but in right here in our lab, we are using the grab PDF grab. But later, I would like you to do that. You need to install it and calculate in the later of your assignment. So I'm not go through the step, but I would like to let you to like read it and try to do it by yourself. Okay. So I will see what are you able to do. And in the content tabs, we talk about the ASCII code. So all those like will be the ASCII code. So we call the human readable can view on the notepad or using the cat function, so we can read it. But if it's in binary format, so they are not with the bias, and then we need to some like special software to really translate those content. Though most of them because if they're binary, they are called executable or some special documents. So .exe, .e, .jpg, .pdf, they are special like that. So strings can be readable. Okay, so we have some idea. So we can output. Remember the steps right here. You need to after we unzip the file. Okay, so we will execute strings. Okay, right here, and then strings. Okay, so if you see right here is the JPEG file. Okay, so we need to trim the new line. Okay, so you see this one we try to replace the new one, and then I'll put it to the space. Okay, so we try to output a new file. So it's a with strings.txt. Okay, so after you commit, because I already did it, so I will show you. So here they use the command. You do not require to install any other tools. So you can use more. So you can list it. So we see the content. Okay. So just like checking. Okay, I will output it. So you should be all good. So if you are able to reach this step, then you should be fine. And you need to install one at the XF tool, and then after you install it, I already give you the instruction in the PDF right here. So just like using the XF tool, like then passing yes, and then you can install it. After you complete the installation, then you can use this to list the file. Okay, so we are going to use it. Okay. Okay, so this one we are looking at that JPG file, and then you see all the information I listing out right here. So suppose they're pretty straightforward, and of course, right now I quickly go through all the steps, and then for the digital for instance, we are looking for the data. So these are all the tools we're going to use, and then all this like we make a screenshot what kind of data, what we retrieve, and then what's the time, and then some permission. So you can check about that. And then so far we have more stuff and try to search. So we try to match like right here we try to using font and then the files. So we try to search the email in all the text files. So you see passing the so I don't care the name, but only the format is a txt. So I just put in the execute and grab it. So all the content like A to Z, lowercase, uppercase, and with some like digits, and then you see like dot or underscore, anything. So here's the email format, and then more than one. Okay, and then add. And because it's like because the email domain can belongs to different domains, right? So it can be like any letter with some numbers. So A to Z, uppercase A to Z, numbers, okay, dot underscore. So they're all okay. And then we'll talk and we have 3 digits like this. But most of them just like try to match it, and you see if no, then we give a placeholder for each match files, and then end of the comments that is done. So we can escape it for the matching. And that's it. So after you execute this part, then we're able to get all the email address like match. Okay, so you see different tab underscore with numbers. Okay, so we search all the email address in all the text file. So we show okay. And then because another one is called a PDF grab. So if we are going to use, you need to download PDF grab. So it's a one more, and then after you install it, and then we'll try to grab the PDF. So pretty similar. So try to find the emails, and then for the documents content without the unzip it. Okay. So if we need to pass the parameter p to extract the file to pi, so not a message, just like passing the file, and then docs exit their pop, okay, with that way, so we can declare, and then also the email in the docs file, okay, right here, and also like more like multiple file we can copy it. And if you keep like doing, because all this like just like pretty straightforward, and just like I will let you to do it, just like follow all these screenshot like every steps, because they are all searching, so it should be like working and comes out. And you can we are using the find function, and then to grab it. So right here we maybe like try to search like for the docs parts like the core XML, and this one they will add a new line between the files like right here. And more like maybe if we try to search the name, so name may be anything. So and it's a lowercase, uppercase, maybe 1 to 10. Then we have a special character like S, the space, and then maybe more than one, and then something else like A to Z, they do that uppercase, lowercase. Okay, range will be 1 to 10, and then breaking line. So they all will be the names included, okay, in the message. So you will see all these maybe some pattern, but they may be the because we only matching the patterns of the name, so they may be not actually the name. Okay, so that's why we need to like doing the filter later. But this one is how can we use the regular expression like we're learning for searching and look match for some content. I mean maybe the hidden files right here. And so far, that's like all the tools you need to use, like install, and you should able to complete all these steps, like pretty straightforward. And then the one thing left to you is the PDF. So it's a carbon conversion. So this one you need to install it, ebooks like carbon. So ebooks, okay, and so here's the ebooks, and for the installation download, then you let's say for the Linux, it give you the link. So this one I will leave you for as an extra. So I put the extra right here for your assignment. So I'm not go through like all the steps, like everything you need to do. So follow the steps. And just like you need to convert the ebook from one format to another. So once we input the ebooks and then go through the plugin, so we will transfer it and then output it. So given a new output format. So we can like you can guess that from the files, the extension of the output file. So we can use the files, some software to convert a file into a different format, maybe to a text file or some like document PDF. but we cannot transform it to maybe Excel file or PowerPoint. Okay, and here's some screenshot on the installing the Calibre this tool, and then we try to, after download it, then you can use the command like ebooks convert the PDF to text. So after we convert to text, then we can show all the contents and then doing the regular expression. Okay, so far this one will be the your extra part for your assignment. And because for the DD image, I will quickly go through how to do it, but I will like to keep it for next time. And I will see the progress. If you are able, then I will like kind of like go through one more time, like recap all the previous what we did and help you to fix the problem. Okay. But I will quickly like by the kind of like ending for this lab, then I will show you how to doing search the data leakage image. So if we need to download the DD image, there are some export online, so you can download it maybe using a duplicate, and then you can download from all these like data leakage case. Okay, image. So right here 2015 other, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you can repeat download all this 1, 2, 3. So after you download it and list the file, and you can use the 7-zip. So we have the 7-zip to unzip the files, and then list like, okay, verify, okay, we showing the files of the DD file. Okay, so after we unzip first one, they will combine, and then after you able to unzip the DD file, then you can use an MD5 sum to check it what's the MD5, the hash of it. And here will be the following, like we try to list all the files using the regular expression to show all the file types. And then we use the file regulation file or the JPEG files. So you see right here. So because I will keep this part for the extra work. So later for the next lab, I will go through this part one more time. So I will see how many of you are able to complete the first the assignment. Okay, even though I already set a deadline, but I will extend it if I see you have some issue. And after we cover this, like finish the rest of this DD, then also you need to like submit the lab, so you can submit it together. Because like in before, I always said it as like 2 weeks, right, for the assignment. For this time, I only said one. It should be pretty straightforward. You can complete, like if you can do it really quick, maybe less than 30 minutes, you can finish all the steps, make all the screenshot. But if you have some issue on your system or settings, installation, then it takes more time. Okay, then I will give you extra time. So for the next week, if you can, we will complete the DD in right here. But I already say, and then one more is the searching the iOS file. So we're using the find and try to grab it with the dot, and then try to search it 1 to 7 and try to find, and then try to looking for the head of like our file.txt, and then the tail, the last 220, or searching for the other row right here. And so far will be like this to list all the files. Okay, and because I quickly go through, I will do the demonstration. So for the next lab, I will kind of similar, just like execute. So if you are able to complete this part, then you can do it earlier. If not, then I will keep this lab for the next week. So I'm trying to do it slightly slower. So I put in the lab to like 2 parts, like for 2 weeks, and then I will update. So if you are not yet complete the lab for like week 5, like the new one for this one, and then I will extend 1 more week, so we can like complete together with the DD this part. Okay, but this one I will keep it for next week. Okay, and that's it for this lab. And let me know, you can send me an email if you need help to set up your environment. And maybe after this one, next week, then we maybe try to, I will find a time, or like we can meet same time, then in the like class time, then, or like another time. So let me know. Or if you have some problem, I would like to, like, we can make the time and then we can meet, and let me know. Will it be like too much, if like too much, or it's all good, then I'd like to hear your feedback. Okay, so if you think it's all good, then I will keep this like progress, this phase, like keep giving like every lab, I'll give you something new, and then how can we doing the digital forensics? Okay, and then looking for some data, and that's it for this lab. Thank you.